Good afternoon.
Hello, welcome to ИнстаФорекс TV channel. Fresh economic news will be presented by us, Takhmina Salomova
and Anna Kasatkina.
You are watching the overview of the currency and commodity markets for the last week.
What currencies won favor with investors last week?
On Friday, the US dollar retreated against the euro and the pound sterling amid escalating political uncertainty. The Federal Bureau of Investigation said it was restarting a probe into Hillary Clinton's private emails. The news raised concern that Republican candidate Donald Trump might have a chance of winning the presidential race and the implications that his victory could have for the United States. The euro-dollar pair surged to 1.0985 in late session on Friday. The single European currency gained 121 pips last week. Last week, the US dollar strengthened thanks to the better-than-expected data on the US GDP for the third quarter. Inspired by the fast pace of economic growth, markets are pricing in the rate hike at the December meeting. Despite a slowdown on consumer spending growth, the fresh reports indicate that the US economy is strong enough to withstand higher interest rates. The Policy Setting Committee is due to meet in November, but expectations for a rate increase are low ahead of the November 8th election. Besides, the dollar-yen pair fell to 104.72 from a three-month high at 105.52. However, the Japanese yen shed 79 pips for the whole week. One more thing, in October, commodities for the food industry, which is the key sector in New Zealand, gained in value more than base metals. And that's all about the recent developments in the Forex market.
Thank you for the roundup on popular currencies, Anna.
You're welcome, Takhmina. And what about commodity markets?
Oil was trading in a bear bias, but gold was rallying.
And what trading sentiment was setting the tone for opening positions?
Many market watchers openly doubt whether OPEC can reach consensus on cutting production. Gold is gaining ground amid increasing appetite for safe haven assets. Crude futures were trading lower last week as traders doubted whether the production cut deal among the OPEC members would be actually implemented. On Friday, December Brent crude futures sank to $49.31 a barrel, the low of September 30. London traded futures closed 76 cents or 1.5% down at $49.71 a barrel. The global benchmark shed $2.24 a barrel or 4.3% for the week. Over the weekend, major oil producers failed the talks in Vienna. They were unable to deliver final plans on individual quarters as Iran flatly refused even to consider freezing its oil output rates. December West Texas Intermediate settled down to $1.2 or 2.1% to $48.70 a barrel. The U.S. benchmark rate finished down $1.65 or 4.2% for the week. On the other hand, gold prices closed high on Friday at a 4-week high. A new probe into Hillary Clinton's emails raised the metals appeals as a safe haven investment. At the COMEX division of the New York Mercantile Exchange, December gold futures rose $6 or 0.47% to settle at $1,275.05 a troy ounce. Gold had jumped to $1,281.5 in October 4th.
Takhmina, thank you for the overview of the commodity markets.
My pleasure, Anna.
You have watched the weekly overview of the currency and commodity markets on ИнстаФорекс TV channel.
This edition has been presented by us, Anna Kasatkina
and Takhmina Salomova.
Good luck, see you later.
Bye.